Qtip time, everyone. Mr. Q, your friendly neighborhood Qatari here. And it's just rained, and so that's why it's kind of windy, the air is feeling fresh, and you know, right after the rain, I like to drink some Java, some coffee. In Arabic, it's Gahwa. And I thought you might want to see how we prepare Gahwa the old traditional Qatari way. And I've got a friend. Let's get started. All right, everyone, so I'm here with Abdallah Al-Anizzi. He is one of the social media stars and he does a lot of really cool things. And he gave us the opportunity to sit with him in his home and with his family to see how we're going to do some Gahwa. شلونك?
طول عمرك. يا مرحبا. Nice to meet you.
And nice to meet you too.
بالإنجليش وبالعربي.
Exactly.
My language is not very well.
We're going to be mixing it up.
Now I want to show you about how can I make it the coffee. The original coffee, it's the Arabic coffee. The first thing I will make it that the beans for the coffee. هذه القهوة هي خضرة. إذا تشوفها القهوة الخضرة.
So we've got green coffee beans.
أيوة. نحط القهوة هني علشان إن إحنا نحمسها.
Okay, so you've trained your son exactly to the way that the family, you like it and the family likes it.
What he doing my father before with me, and also my grandfather, what he doing with my father.
Insane. So we're going to try to get it to the color that we want.
Yes.
But what is the color that we want?
The colors differently. Maybe somebody he need little dark, somebody he want to little light. يعني not same.
Okay.
What about to my language?
Good job.
I will start now.
Okay. Oh, now it's serious now.
نعم,
Okay.
خلاص, يلا.
You know, once the sleeves go up, that's when things are serious. Okay.
طبعا my son Jasim.
He's 11 years old now?
Yep. And every time I will make it training for him. How can he make it the coffee? Now, alhamdulillah, he know how about the شو اسم الحمسة بالإنجليزي؟ يحمسون؟ roasted?
Yeah, the roasting.
Roasting.
Yeah,
roasting. Please, don't
roast, everything's good.
Can
okay?
he go?
So why is it your son that's preparing this right now and not your daughter? Because people have this image that it's always the woman who's doing the cooking and the preparations for everything in the house.
احنا عندنا طبعا هم النساء هم اخواتنا وامهاتنا وهم شريكات معنا في هذه الحياه. وفي مقوله عند العرب وعند حتى الاوروبيين او الامريكان او في كل العالم وراء كل رجل عظيم امراه ما في شك. فالاخت والام والزوجه والبنت هم شركاء معنا في كل شيء جميل. ولكن هذه طبائع العرب والخليج. المجالس من يديرها هناك مجالس للرجال اللي يديرها هم الرجال. وفي مجالس للنساء اللي يديرونها هم النساء. لكن احنا عندنا طابع قهوتنا مالت الرجال ما يسويها الا الرجال هو بنفسه. واحنا عندنا طبعا علمني الوالد ايضا القهوه حتى الخدم يعني هم ايضا الخدم لهم الاحترام هم ايضا شركاء معانا فيه سواء في بيوتنا او جزء من بيوتنا لكن لازم الرجال صاحب المجلس يسوي قهوته بنفسه.
So what we're preparing today is actually, as we said, there's many different ways of preparing coffee. You've got the light, darker roasts, and some people like to mix different things into it. Yeah. So this is, you know, with as you roast it, it starts to change color. But what we are going to be preparing today is what's known as the Royal Blend. And of course, we've got the Colombian beans, and we're going to be doing it the original traditional way. So you can change things if you want to, make it your way.
The coffee, it was 0 calories. But without milk, without anything, without sugar, the original coffee, black coffee, Arabic coffee, when you make it, it was 100% 0 calories.
Okay.
ليش يحرك جاسم في القفجة؟ Why جاسم he will make it with a spoon like this? Because I needed all the beans one color.
Okay.
يعني not for 100% but not someone he came too much dark, one light. No, I need...
Try to keep it as even as possible.
Yeah.
Okay.
This is my color coffee. See?
This is the royal color now.
Yeah, this
Maliki.
for هاي الملكي. Why I like it for the شقرة, name شقرة. شقرة meaning for not too much dark.
Yeah.
Light color, okay? الخشب حتى احنا نبرد القهوة.
So before he can do the rest of the preparation and grinding, what he does is he goes and cools it down in a wooden container. The reason why he does this and he doesn't put this in a metal container is so that it doesn't overly cool down, it doesn't remove any of the flavor or the aromas from the coffee. So wood is the way to go.
The wood is the best thing.
Okay.
For a long time. This is the original one, what he doing for the coffee for a long time.
Okay.
قدير. Khalifa, I like it. Let's eat. Oh.
That's how you know you're a real man. When you just eat the coffee. You don't drink coffee. I'm going to be a real man right now, okay? Actually, it tastes good.
What? This is original coffee, beans.
I never in my life thought, hey, let me go ahead, roast my own beans, and then just eat it. I want to ask Jassim a question. So what do we do next?
If it's coming cold, I put it here. After, I do it grinder.
Okay, so you're going to put it on the plate, and then you're going to grind it. Jassim knows what's up. So he's saying basically, if you wanted to go ahead and add some saffron, for example, to give it a little bit of a flavor, the saffron that he recommends is Iranian saffron. Has a really great flavor and aroma to it.
خليفة انت تشوف في اغراض واجد.
There are a lot of different pots here.
اوكي. بس شيء حق نطبخ فيه القهوة. شيء حق نسوي فيه الشاي الاحمر بالفلتر. شيء حق نسوي فيه الشاي الكرك مع الحليب. شيء حق نسوي فيه شاي مع حليب نوعية ثانية بالزنجبيل. فهذه الاشياء اللي احنا نشرب فيها القهوه، هذه اللي احنا نسوي فيها القهوه، فالقهوه تعمل في شيء بعد ذلك تنصب في حاجه ثانيه وبعدين نطبخها، يعني الان احنا نطبخ ونسوي القهوه هنا.
But then of course you're going to probably use this first where you put hail. Hail is cardamom. So yes, there's a very big difference between those two words. So understand that when you see these different pots, there's a purpose. I wanted to talk about the olden way. So we've got a ceramic hob over here, and I know this is the future.
Yeah.
Some traditional ways, right? So I'm going to give you this first because this is heavy. This is brass?
نعم.
Wow.
شو اسمه الطحن في الانجليزي قلت لي؟
So it's grinding.
جرايندر. هذه كانت مال الجرايندر اول، يحطون القهوه هني يسوون هالشكل.
You got a ring? You got a ring?
هذه كانت مثل الميوزك عند الاولين البدو، هذه موسيقى ويضربون لها.
That's very interesting. Okay, so when they would go ahead and grind, they would grind and then they would also make a little bell sound because it's music. What's this? It's a giant spoon.
شفت من ساعه احنا حمسنا القهوه
When we were roasting the, yeah?
روستنج. هذا كان الروستنج القديم. نحط البنز القهوه في هذه، سمعتني؟ ونبتدي نحطها على الضوء. كانت اول حطب ويحمسون.
So right over here, this is the old mechanism that they used so that it could roast. Obviously, the little flat head is to mix it up. Okay, so now he's gonna go ahead and put it into the grinder. How, much do we need to grind it? Until it's like a powder, or?
خليفة طبعا القهوة احنا ما نحمسها باودر، ليش؟ لسبب حتى ما ينزل فيها حثال بعد ذلك، فنخليها شوية خشنة. شوف هذه طبعا القهوة وحمستها تكون شوي خشنة. اوكي. لأن هذه خلاص احنا بعد ما نطبخها هني ونشيلها بعدين نحطها في الدلة، ما يطلع في الفنجال حثال قهوة اللي هو باودر القهوة، ما يطلع في الفنجال، تطلع القهوة كلير وصافية.
Okay, so one of the most important things is to make sure that you keep it a little bit coarse, a little bit rough. You don't want to be too powdery because you don't want it to get, passed through a filter, for example. Okay, so the way that you know once this is done is once you see the white bubbles disappear,
Yeah.
that means it's ready.
Not for 100%, but when he comes, the big pieces, the white one,
Yeah.
when he finish, maybe about 90 or 85%, your coffee, it was ready.
Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and we're going to grind the cardamom pods.
حركي بيدك وتسوي كذا. ايوه. هذا لازم يكون خشن كذا.
And this has to be extra rough.
The first thing I'm finished for cooking the coffee.
Yes.
Now I leave it here. Why? Because when he come all the coffee down.
Okay, so you want the coffee to sink.
فنجال هيل.
So 1 cup or 1 finjal of cardamom.
حطه هني.
Just a tiny pinch of saffron next. Okay, so now that we've put that all in here, we're just waiting for the coffee to go ahead and sink.
طبعا أنا أحب أيضا المستكة.
So now he's going to put a little bit of mastica into this. They call it zaf mastica, بالإنجليزي mastica.
مستكة نفس الاسم.
Okay, so now we're waiting for this. You're doing something over here with some ropes. What's that?
هذا من أساسيات القهوة. في شيء أحيانا ما تصب تبغي فلتر. هذا الفلتر الطبي الصحي الطبيعي.
Okay, so
هذا من النخل.
Okay, so this is a palm based out of palm tree leaves.
أي من النخل يجيبونه فنحطه في راس الدلة هالشكل وتصب قهوتك حتى ما يطلع الهيل في الفنجان.
Okay, guys, so take a look at this. So this is actually pretty special. You see right inside over here, this is a natural filter. You put this inside so that you can make sure that you don't get the cardamom and all of the different hard, rough bits or too much of the rough bits into your coffee when you pour it.
لا حد يقول انها وسخة. هذه ماخذة لون القهوة والهيل والزعفران اللي في الدلة ينسوه.
So the final part, of course, as you know, we've combined the cardamom, the saffron, and the mastica with the coffee, and now we're going to heat it up one more time so that it actually naturally starts to mix up. Now it's starting to bubble and rise, and that's, oh, it's extremely bubbling right now.
شوف الآن.
So what are we going to do?
تبتدي بعد شوي بيرتفع.
So tell me, while we're preparing all of this, what's your opinion on pre-made qahwa?
مش قهوة هذا.
That's not coffee? No?
هذا شيء منتهي محموس. أنا كل ما يجيني رجال ضيف في المجلس أحمس قهوتي في نفس اللحظة. أحمس له وما عندي حتى شيء محموس ومطحون حق يومين وثلاثة أيام. في نفس اليوم. When you come now, I make it for you. Fresh coffee, new coffee. You come tomorrow, again, same everything I will doing for you. I'm very happy with this job. خليفة قهوتنا جاهزة.
It's ready.
نعم. احنا نصب باليسار ونشرب باليمين أو نقدم باليمين.
Okay.
فالآن نصب بيد اليسار.
We pour with the left and we serve with the right.
لكن قبل لا أعطيك أنت قهوة.
Okay.
أول فنجان أنا يا المعزب صاحب المجلس أنا اللي أشربه. ليش؟ أشوف قهوتي زينة ولا لا قبلك. إذا كانت قهوتي زينة عقب أقدمها لك.
So before serving anyone, the coffee master, the person who's responsible for the majlis, is going to go ahead and take a sip first. Why? To make sure that it tastes great before giving people some qahwa.
Sam, try please. Smell and try.
It's time. That tastes fresh. That really does taste fresh. Oh, and no powder. Good job.
No powder?
No powder.
Okay.
خلاص we're done.
Great. الحمد لله.
Now remember, once I'm done,
يعني نجحنا. إذا شربت الآن
And I hand
ورهم
it over-
الفنجال inside no any
powder.
حثال.
Yeah.
Powder in English.
So one of the things that you need to pay attention to is that there is nothing left into the cup. There is no powder, there is nothing, because now I have drank that completely. Now, if I go ahead and I hand this back to him, this is what's gonna happen. Oh, but I didn't want any more.
No.
Doesn't matter.
You do not want, you tell me like this.
Exactly. So that's one of the most important things. Once you've gone and drank your coffee, you've drank your qahwa, and you've had enough, make sure that you shake the cup. Check out the other Q-tip we did on that. So here's a question that I know a lot of Western people are going to ask. When you've got coffee, do you touch the glasses and cheers?
No.
We don't do that.
Never.
All right, Abdullah, I just want to say thank you so much for taking the time to explain to everyone how to make the coffee. And is there anything else you wanted to say?
Just I tell you, thank you very much, you and with your team, and welcome to your majlis for any time.
Thank you.
And I want to tell I take it something from original to Qatar, to Gulf people, from all in Europe or to America, to every world. Welcome to your second country. Thank you, Khalifa.
Thank you so much. Everyone, I hope that you enjoyed this Q-tip. If you did, please don't forget to give us a like. And of course, don't forget to share. And if you've got a question, don't forget to ask us in the comment section below.
Don't forget, subscribe and like and send that video for all the world. Thank you very much.